Hi. Welcome. Come on in. Gemma, you too. So, welcome back to Eat Here, Stay Here. And today we are at the Mondrian Hotel in Bordeaux. A lovely hotel, first impression. So, we actually triple checked this because we wanted to stay here with our two dogs. And you can see they're good sized dogs. They're not little chihuahuas. So, it's very hard to find hotels that not only accept dogs, but hotels of this caliber that accept dogs. So called, they couldn't be nicer. They said, absolutely, we're pet friendly. Come on down. Checked in. We told them again. They actually, so there's the pet fee, which is fine. It's €35 per night per pet. Yes, it's a little steep, but hey, for these two, that's what we do. But look what you get. They actually they asked if we wanted a setup for our dogs. So these are all from the hotel. We walked in and the dog beds were set up, the bowls were set up, and if you come over here, you could see the room. We asked for a king-size bed, which is very rare in France. Let me tell you how nice. King-size pillows, king-size bed. And they gave us, we actually asked for a low floor because of our dogs. So we're in room 118, first floor. They put the dog bed by the window, which Gemma loves. We're overlooking the restaurant. So just so everyone knows, we are having a heat wave in France right now. It is 98 degrees out. This whole week is going to be 95 and higher. So not a lot of people outside right now, but when it cools down, this will probably be very busy. But a great light. There's actually a button here that opens the window, which we're not going to do because it's so hot. But look at how this room is set up. It is really, really nice. I mean, it's not a huge space, but it's a big space. This is a standard room. This isn't a premium upgraded room. It's a standard. So king size bed facing the window, huge TV. You got a chair here, a nice little rug, which is nice. Again, for the dogs, it's not all hardwood. And if you come over here, you have your little sitting area. And this is also nice. They give you a little QR code by the bed, which gives you room service, all the amenities of the hotel. And then on the side, you have the lights. You could turn on and off the lights. You got your USB and you got a plug to charge things. And come right there, get a little sitting area. There's the phone. More plugs, USB over here. And this is the main entrance to the room. So you got your closet. And they have a spa, gym, and a pool in this hotel. The only thing you have to pay for is the spa, obviously, massage services, facials, but the pool is free. The gym is free. You go down in your robe, take a swim. They even give you an umbrella. And if you pull this down, this is a steamer. So this is great. Now here's your bar, mini bar. They got the menu here. You got some liquor. The water, tea, and coffee are all complimentary. The only thing you pay for is either the liquor or the wine. And here's your snack drawer. And you got your coffee, your sugar, your pods. But these you have to pay for. So these are not complimentary. These are the chips. But again, this is nice. I mean, you got a wine opener here. You're in France. You could buy your own wine and bring it back to the room. But if you want a late night snack, water's complimentary. Oh, you put this up. But the water is complimentary here. And up here, it's just an empty basket. The blow dryer actually goes in here. This was in here. This is the hairdryer bag. It's up here. We put it down here. Breakfast menu. If you want to order room service, hang this on the door. Got your little ice bucket here. Nice little touch. They also have dry cleaning and laundry services. Slippers. And again, this is just nice. You can close it up. Just little. And then right at the front, where you first walk in, this is your little water closet, toilet. So it's nice, the toilet's separated from the main bathroom. You have your lights here, entrance lights, where you first walk in. And you also have the button for the do not disturb true light. There's no thing hanging. We'll show you actually a hanger they did give us for the door, but this is do not disturb and makeup room. But in addition to that, nice little touch. they actually gave a door hanger that says pets inside. So cleaning service knows there's pets in here. Not that we would let them come in with just our dogs, obviously, but just to let people know there's pets inside. And this is the bathroom. And again, big space, nice sink. Got your towels here. And this is actually warm. This is a warming towel rack. The button's right here to turn it on and off. So even if you're washing kind of your clothes, again, it's hot here, you get sweaty, you want to wash a shirt, hang it here, it'll dry quicker. Got your tissue box, plenty of towels, garbage can. They put scales in the hotel rooms in France. I don't know why. I don't know who's on a diet here, but anyway. Got your soaps. And then, again, look how big the shower is. Now, again, just for reference, I'm 6 feet tall. So this is me under the rain head. And also have your handheld here, little shelf, and your shampoo and your body wash. And then over here, I see these more and more in hotels as we travel. There's like this window to the shower if you want to, I don't know, I guess it's for light, but open and close the blinds. So overall, the check-in process here is great. They have valet parking, which is a huge plus. Because you can't park on the street here. You need a permit. So people think, oh, I'll just grab a spot on the street. No, you can't do that. So they do have valet parking, which was a plus. So nice when we checked in. We had the 2 dogs. He got all our bags out of the car. We have 5 heavy bags. We're traveling with, we're still traveling through France. If you watched our videos, we're traveling through France. We're a retired couple with our dogs, and we're driving everywhere. So we have big luggage. We have 5 big pieces of luggage. They brought it all up to the room. They stacked it in the corner. They were so nice. Everything in the check-in process was amazing. Everyone here is very nice. There's actually a really good Japanese restaurant downstairs. We're gonna do another video of the amenities of the hotel and the restaurant outside, but as you can see, the room, the check-in process, just the service so far with our 2 dogs, A+. So nice to be here. The Mondrian, Bordeaux. The waterfront is straight down the street. You can walk it. No one's walking it today. It's 100 degrees, but it's probably a 10, 15-minute walk tops to the riverfront where everything is. Plenty of restaurants around here. We're going to check out, the closest bars and everything. So very happy to be here, and we'll follow up on the rest of the hotel, but check out our other videos at Eat Here, Stay Here, and we'll follow up with the Mondrian Hotel Bordeaux. Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the gym at the Mondrian Hotel in Bordeaux. You walk in here, it's a very small gym, but they have the hooks for your rope. And as you can see, they don't have a ton of machines, but they have enough to get you a good workout. Your step machine here, your row machine, 2 treadmills, cycle, and they do have a weight bench. And the machines are very up to date. These are brand new machines. And as you come on over here, they have the weights, free weights. And the weights range from 1 kilogram to 25.5 kilograms. Also have your kettlebells here. Here's your water station. And they do have this pulley machine. So you can get a full body workout with this machine. And the nice thing is they show you all the different exercises you can do on this pulley machine. So you could do your chest, lunges, shoulder press, your rows, and then you could adjust it to do your lower body. So they do have enough to get you a full workout here. As you can see, it's a small area, but there's no one here. It's 7:30 in the morning, so I have it all to myself. And we're gonna head over to the pool and give you a tour of the pool and spa area. Hey everyone, we're here at the pool area, spa area at the Mondrian Hotel in Bordeaux. Give you a quick tour. So this is very nice. It's actually inside, right next to the restaurant where everyone's having breakfast now. But this pool is heated. It's very warm, but not too hot. You can see you have lounges here, and you also have menus, so you could order food here. Kind of just lounge and order food. It's pretty warm in here, obviously, because the pool's heated, but it's very relaxing and spa-like. If you come over here, they have a steam room. Lights are out, but steam room here. And then you walk over here, shower area. And then you have the hot sauna here. So it's a very nice layout, very nice facilities. We just showed you the gym, and here's the pool area. And again, this is all free. So amenities, facilities here are outstanding.